Yeah, how far my people, how una dey? I believe say we dey learn from this channel. Today I would like make we talk about layer 2. Wetin be dis layer 2 and why dem create layer 2? Layer 2 na dat second system wey dem build on top layer 1 to solve the problem wey layer 1 dey face. Wetin be all dis problem wey layer 1 dey face? All dis problem na slow transaction, high gas fees. For example, sometimes you go wan send bitcoin from blockchain to another exchange or to another blockchain wallet. You go see say the gas fees go high at times. Say you come dey reason say why dis gas fees dey high. Instead make dem charge you for like $1 or maybe like 30 cents, dem go dey charge you for like $50, $100, and you wan send maybe $200 worth of bitcoin. Same thing sef dey happen for Ethereum network. So dem come say wetin we fit do to reduce dis problem, na wetin wey come bring idea of layer 2 be dat. You understand? So you go fit process the transaction fast and the gas fees go fit dey low. Shey you get? So example of dis layer 2 bitcoin lightning na example.